EZYTEK Clean. Power of cleaning. Presenting.
Nitrogen Tyre Inflator. Main features: fastest N2 generator, maximum purity with inbuilt tank, large and bright display, suitable for car, SUVs and LCVs. Technical specification: Model No. Easy N2. Purity of nitrogen 95 to 99%. Storage tank size 70 liter. N2 generating capacity 2000 to 4000 lph. Compressed air pressure required less than 12 bar. Recom. Input pressure 8 to 12 kg/cm2. Nitrogen output 66 liters per minute at 8 to 12 bar. Weight 170 kilograms. Power supply 230 volts/50 Hz. Vehicle application: bus, truck, HCV. Power 200 to 400 watts.